Pretrial matters from the plaintiff,
Absolutely.
starting with appearances. Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Deacon Tom. I'm joined today by Miss Natalie LeBlanc
Good morning, Your Honor.
and Miss Johanna Frank.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
We're here on behalf of Mr. Ari Felder, who's the surviving spouse of Morgan Felder, who died in the defendant's plane crash.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
We invite defense to make appearances at this time as well.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Brendan Van Sumer, and I am joined by my co-counsel, Mr. Pretrial Vitale,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Mr. Cy Vapa,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
and we represent Casey Kohler and the plaintiff in today, or the defense in today's case.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
First, Your Honor, we have a bench book prepared that has several documents, including special instructions, stipulations, pretrial orders, as well as the Midlands Rules of Evidence, which differ slightly from the federal rules of evidence. Permission to approach and tender.
Yes, permission granted.
I'm approaching the bench.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And next, we'd move to invoke Rules 603 and 615, which are the constructive swearing in of all witnesses and the constructive sequestration of all witnesses, except for party representatives. They'll be present in trial during the entirety of today's trial.
Okay. So you're sequestering witnesses except for your party representative?
Yes,
That's
Your Honor.
correct, okay. But this is, okay.
Constructive sequestering,
Yep,
Your Honor.
Yep, okay, thank you.
Next, Your Honor, we direct your attention to the stipulations tab, stipulation 7. It's one of the tabs in the orange tabs in the bench book.
Okay.
Would you let me know when you're there?
I see that. That's for exhibits that have been pre-admitted.
That's right, Your Honor. We draw Your Honor's attention to stipulation 7 because during Ms. LeBlanc's opening statement, she'll be using a picture of Morgan Felder. That's permitted under stipulation 7.
Okay.
Next, Your Honor, we'd inquire as to your preferences regarding permissions. Would you like us to ask for permissions when approaching opposing counsel, the bench, and the witness stand?
No, that's not necessary.
No permissions at all, Your Honor.
No, I mean, if you happen to do that, that's fine, but, I don't need that to happen necessarily.
Certainly, Your Honor. And then when entering evidence, would you like us to approach Your Honor with a courtesy copy as well?
Yes, please.
And would that courtesy copy suffice as tendered evidence?
Yes.
One last note, Your Honor. If you could direct your attention to the case law tab, which I believe is the second tab in that bench book, on page 7, the first page, the fifth page on that, the fifth case on that page.
Fifth case on page 7.
That's right.
All right. You say Simpson Rose?
Yes, Your Honor. Simpson v. Rose explains that a verbal act is a statement offered to establish something of independent legal significance or effect rather than the truth of the matter asserted in the statement. Your Honor, we draw your attention to this piece of case law because given that this is a negligence case, one of the elements that we as the plaintiff have to prove is foreseeability. And we're going to be entering, or rather, we're going to be referencing documents that are used purely for notice, for foreseeability, not for the truth of the matter that's contained in that statement. We just inquire for your preferences. Given that this is not for the truth of the matter, would you like us to still attempt to enter this document, or would you like us to just reference it for notice?
How many documents are we, how many are you talking, approximately?
It should just be one, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. I guess, I don't have any problem if you just use it as if it's admitted already, yeah.
Perfect, Your Honor. That's amenable to us. That's all for the plaintiff.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, due to the lack of rebuttal witnesses in this jurisdiction, we have prepared an intent to offer character evidence form. Both sides have agreed and signed this document.
Okay,
May my co-counsel tender at this time?
absolutely. So you both agreed to